Welcome to Lokhidev Das Information YouTube channel. Now I have presentation on CSC IIBF new pattern exam question and answer in English part 4. If you don't watch part 1, part 2 and part 3 videos, I have given link on description. Presented by Lokhidev Das 9101046197, Director Krishnaguru Computer Training Center, KCTC, Okadan Satipur, PO Okadan, PS Silabhata District, Dhamaji, Assam, pin 787059. According to June 2022 pattern, question number 61. In order to improve effectiveness, BCA has to imbibe certain qualities. Identify the incorrect statements from the option given below. He she should be sensitive to the customer. 2. She should develop and understand knowledge on finance and financial products. 3. She should develop her confidence and skills. 4. She should promote mis-selling of financial products. Response option A 1 and 3 only, 4 only. Option B 3 and 4 only. Option C only 4. Option D 2 and 4 only. The right answer is option C only 4. Question number 62. As a BCA, how will you identify an intensive customer? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response option A, they will give short uncertain answers like maybe or I don't know. Option B, they wish to be attended to immediately. Option C, they will frequently complain about the bank's product offerings. Option D, they act as if they know everything about the bank's products. The right answer is option A, they will give short uncertain answers like maybe or I don't know. Question number 63. A stored value card offers from a prepared card preliminarily in. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response option A, the amount that can be stored. Option B, the value steering mechanism. Option C, the technology. Option D, validity period. The right answer is option B, the value storing mechanism. Question number 64. Which one of the following correctly describe a worksite ATM? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response option A, located within the premises of an institution and are generally meant for employees of the institution. Option B, no fixed to any particular location and are on the move. Option C, located within branch premises or in very close premises of the branch. Option D, location other than branch premises such as shopping centers, railway station, airports, petrol station, etc. The right answer is option D, location other than branch premises such as shopping centers, railway stations, airports, petrol station, etc. Question number 65. Which of the following service is provided through internet banking? 1. Opening or early account. 2. Trading in stock market. 3. Stop check payment. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response option A, only 1 and 2. Option B, only 2 and 3. Option C, only 1 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. The right answer is option C, only 1 and 3. Question number 66. Which one of the following is not the duty of a bank? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response option A, duty to maintain sincerely about customer's account. Option B, duty to issue passbook, statement, etc. Option C, duty to run the business activities of the customers on his her behalf. Option D, duty A, collect the check, bills, etc. The right answer is option C, duty to run the business activities of the customer on his her behalf. Question number 67. Which of the following can be determined as effective stages for debit recovery? 1. The collection timing should be centralized to the cash inflow pattern of the debitors. To adopt defined collection stages. 4. Define debitor types. 3. Recovery effort should start with establishing good rapport with the debitor. 4. The collection process need not necessarily be complained to the bank specific recovery norms given the difficult nature of the job. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Option B 1, 3 and 4 only. Option C 1 and 2 only. Option D 1, 2, 3 and 4. The right answer is option A 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 68. An ATM card can be used. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A only for transaction at an ATM. Option B for transaction at point of sales device with a merchant. Option C for online transaction on internet. Option D all the above. The right answer is option D all the above. Question number 69. Which of the following is not an effective form of communication? Response: option A advertising. Option B interviewing. Option C hearing. Option D counseling. The right answer is option B interviewing. Question number 70. Which one of the following is not suitable strategy to adopt while handling a customer complaint? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A listen activity and avoid repetitive question. Option B be efficient towards solving the problem involved seniors it need for. Option C avoid arguments with the customer, be patient. Option D bank's policies are guidelines only, you may overtake them to serve the customer. The right answer is option D bank's policies are guidelines only, you may overtake them to serve the customer. Question number 71. Which one of the following is the correct process involved for card is lost, damaged? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A customer to furnish the card number or an earlier transaction receipt. Option B CSP will inform the service provider for deactivation and insurance of a duplicate card with the customer's balance. Option C on the first use of the duplicate card, terminal updates the balance to reflect the customer's balance in the BC account. Option D all of the above. The right answer is option B CSP will inform the service provider for deactivation and issuance of a duplicate card with the customer's balance. Question number 72. Bank's policy for the customer's grievance redressal should cover which of the following aspects? 1. Customer need to pay treated fairly at all times. 2. Customers should be informed of avenues to escalate their complaints governs within the organization. 3. Bank is to treat all complaints effectively and timely as they can damage the bank's reputation. 4. While providing a resolution to a customer's complaint, timeline need not to be adhered to. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option B 1, 3 and 4 only. Option C 1, 2 and 4 only. Option D 1, 2 and 3 only. The right answer is option D 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 73. Depositor Education and Awareness Fund has been created by RBI and all banks have been advised to transfer incooperative deposits which have not been claimed or operated for a period of years or more to the fund. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A 5, option B 10, option C 8, option D 15. The right answer is option B 10. Question number 74. Which one of the following statement is not a common features of debit card and credit card? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A. The card user normally allows the card holder to repay the use amount either in full or in part monthly minimum repayment. Option B. The card can be used at point of sale, post device at merchant locations for purchase of goods service. Option C. The card can be used for e-commerce transaction known as card not present. Option D. The card number and CVV are used for initiating payment with both cards. The right answer is option A. The card issuer normally allows the card holder to repay the use amount either in full or in part monthly minimum repayment. Question number 75. NPCI acts as a authentication service agency ASA and KYC service agency KSA. What does it mean? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A. NPCI receives the data from the bank, sends to UID, send back the response to banks. Option B. NPCI receives the data from the customer, send to UID, sends back the response to banks. Option C. NPCI receives the data from the banks, validates the same and sends back to response to bank as per transaction flow. Option D. NPCI receives the data from the customer, validates it and send back the response to customer. The right answer is option C. NPCI receives the data from the banks, validates the same and send back the response to bank as per transaction flow. Question number 76. In line with the RBI scheme, many banks have launched credit counseling centers, especially in villages. The function of such centers are: 1. Information on financial product service and where they are available. 2. Guidance on opening on bank account. 3. Information on managing serving and the avenue of investment. 4. Guidance on management of exiting debit. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A 1, 3 and 4 only. Option B 1, 2 and 4 only. Option C 2, 3 and 4 only. Option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. The right answer is option A 1, 3 and 4 only. Question number 77. Which one of the following statement correctly describe a business correspondent agent BCA? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response: option A. BCA is an intermediary or a bridge between the bank and financial excluded people. Option B. BCA is the face of the bank in overbanked region with multiple branches. Option C. BCA need not directly assess the people in various banking and finance related matters. Option D. Success of a BCA depends on the effectiveness with which he/she is able to communicate with the bankers only. The right answer is option A. BCA is an intermediary or a bridge between the bank and the financial excluded people. Question number 78. Cross spelling means. Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response. Option A, selling multiple products to the customers already having banking relationship with the branch. Option B, selling single products to define individuals to bring more customers to the bank branch. Option C, the exciting customers selling the products public service to the potential customers through word of mouth. Option D, selling one product of the bank in exchange for another product. The right answer is option A, selling multiple products to the customers already having banking relationship with the branch. Question number 79. Under which one of the following acts bank is not required to statutorily disclose any information about the customer's account? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response. Option A, Income Tax Act 1961. B. Option B, Companies Act 2013. Option C, Bankers Book Evidence Act 1891. Option D, Sales of Goods Act 1930. The right answer is option D, Sales of Goods Act 1930. Question number 80. Which one of the following statement is correct about eKYC? Select the most appropriate option from the following. Response. Option A, the account is opened after obtaining an implicit from the customer. Option B, it enables bank to get physical copy of customer identity and address details as present in UIDAI database. Option C, identity hacking and document forging is prevalent under the process. Option D, it is an alternative to traditional paper-based KYC process, reduce cost, time and effort, and adds to confidentially easy data reliability. The right answer is option D. It is an alternative to traditional paper-based KYC process, reduce cost, time and effort, and adds to confidently easy data reliability. Thank you so much. If you don't watch part IIBF new pattern exam part 1, part 2 and part 3 videos, I have given link on description. Please watch.